Musk. Demigods. Yeah. Ladies, man, what they say that I am, but you be the type that'll make a nigga plan. Oh damn, you been dope, baby girl. I done seen you all over the gram. I'm supposed to though. You gon' make me lose a girl like remote controls. Now when we dance, baby girl, face me toe to toe. And if you're feeling real good, then reverse some mo and just drop like the beat do. If we gon' make a movie, this a preview. These are things I wanna say when I see you. Hey, but I really can't seem to. Got me looking all GQ. Hey, okay, maybe I lost it. I used to be a slick talker, now I ain't got a comment. I know you see me slick watching, but it look like I'm stalking. I gotta come with it. Okay, left foot right, then a nigga look down. It was just my mind, cause I ain't even take a step forward. I look away for a minute, then you stepped off. Dang. My niggas tell me pull it together. I gotta get a pep talk just to come at you better. Now is it worth it? Yeah, I picture the moments when we be flirting. Perfect. One shot of the liquid courage. Let a nigga shoot a shot like I'm Stephen Curry. Said excuse me, miss, what's your name? I got a couple of feelings that I just can't refrain. And if you give me a minute, then maybe I'll explain. You got that energy, but you been looking drained. Is it your enemy? Cause truth, I ain't the same. I be a friend, baby, but you love her if you need it. Do you got a man, baby? I don't want a secret. Heartbroken, maybe, cause you look like I was scheming. Shit, my luck, okay, maybe I just leave out. She grabbed my hand right before a nigga leave now. With her eyes full of innocence, she say it really ain't the fact that she ain't interested. So I asked her like, what is it then? She said the timing, I wish that it was different.